Put your hands together to encourage the participants, please. Winner of competition, please cheer them up.
पार मंजिलों का साहिल है और मंजिलें हैं तो फासलों
जीत का परचम लहराने को कटिबद्ध. Trainees and wards marching with their morale high to the tune of band in proper alignment. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. Here at our site is a squad number 4 marching magnificently, led by AC Prabir.
This sporting legend from Hyderabad is also the only Indian athlete, male or female, to have won 2 World Tour Series, Super Series, where she was the champion in 2018 and a runner-up in 2017. A gold medal in the Asian Games in 2018, a silver in 2018 Commonwealth Games, a bronze in 2014 Commonwealth Games, a bronze in the Asian Championship in 2014, champion of Indian Open Series 2017, golds in China Open 2016 and Korea Open 2017. Miss PV Sindhu is a class apart and a pride of our nation. ये अब पूरे भारत की बेटी है. Her list of achievements are far more than what can be compressed in a time frame. But what's worth mentioning is the fact that Miss PV Sindhu is a supreme athlete. Let me inform you all some hidden facts which you as future officers and fit people should know. She has a resting heart rate of just 37 heartbeats per minute. Athletes, I am told, have a heart rate of around 50 beats per minute, and a common man has anything between 60 to 80 beats per minute. But Miss PV Sindhu's heart rate while at rest is 37, and the peak level has never crossed more than 190, even when pushed to the end during her peak athletic performance. That's great, Sindhu. She is genetically blessed, and it would be unfair at my end if I don't give due credit to her father, Ramana Garu, who was also an Indian volleyball player, having played 17 national games with 10 awards to his credit, and a recipient of the Arjuna Award too. And her mother, Mrs. Vijaya, who was also a national volleyball player. Though passionate about the game, she chose to give more time to her family, and no doubt she has nurtured the best talent and given India and the entire world a role model to look up to. I should say that these proud parents have not just instilled the spirit of a good sports person in Miss PV Sindhu, but they have shown the world what it takes to be a world champion by etching values of dedication, commitment, and work ethics in their daughter's mind. Her daily routine since the age of 6, and especially in the last 4 years, will bring tears to any sportsman. Miss PV Sindhu used to travel more than 100 kilometers every day for her practice sessions, from her residence in Secunderabad to Gachibowli and then to Kompally Suchitra Academy for her gym sessions. She eats, rests, and takes a nap during her travel time in the car. All this time, she's accompanied by her father. I, as a sportsman myself, fully understand how difficult this regime of hers is. And let not anyone think or feel that medals and laurels in any field are won just like that. यहाँ इस स्टेडियम में उपस्थित सभी अधिकारी, परिवार के सदस्य, बच्चों के लिए यह एक जीवन का पाठ है, एक सिखलाई है.
For the whole thing, I think having such a beautiful facility and you've been working really hard, and I'm sure a lot of people might face ups and downs in life, but I just want to say one thing. As Sir said, yes, this athletic meet has started on August 19th, and I'm sure you guys have been working hard and have been.
These balloons represents our aims, objectives, and dreams in life. They are symbolic of what we aspire to achieve. The balloons fly in waves and at a pace that these athletes would like their lives to fly.
it is again flown at the next NISA Annual Athletic Meet 2022.
And now the flag is being handed over by the chief guest to Director NISA.
This duty I willingly undertake to perform.
Chief guest has handed over the flag to Shri C.V. Anand IPS, Director. Thank you, sir. Srimati Lalita Anand, President Sarakshika NISA, is requested to kindly felicitate. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Shri C.V. Anand, IPS, Director NISA, to present a memento to Srimati Vijaya.